In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get Eventbrite promo code. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna go to your web browser and search up Eventbrite promo code and click enter. Once that is done, you're gonna head over to the first website, Coupon Follow. So as you guys can see, it says Eventbrite promo code 80% off September 2023. So it's for the next month. So you can click on it. Okay, so that's the logo right there. And the first one is 25% off with this code. So you can click on it. And this code SLAM is going to give you a 25% off. So you can just click continue to Eventbrite and it's going to take you to the website where you can put this code at checkout and get a 25% discount. Similarly, there's another code here. Take 80% off using this coupon. You can click on it. And King is the coupon you have to use for an 80% discount. Use that at checkout. Similarly, you can also go and see all the other coupons as well. This might be helpful as well. So for example, you want a 25% off or 20% off example. Now I'm going to head over to some other website and show you a few more codes. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to go to this website, Simply Codes. Okay, here. So the first one is 25% off. And let's say looking for 25% off, you can just use this code, ID at 35. You can click use code and it will automatically copy it, and you can use this at checkout and get a 25% discount. Similarly, you can also use the other codes as well. So for example, this one, WFF9ANN, which is going to give you a 25% discount. And yeah, so that's how you can save a bit of money while purchasing from this website. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.